This is Shannon with Raising Little Witchlings, and I'm going to show you how to paint these really super cute monogrammed eggs for Ostara or Easter. So I wanted to share with you these eggs that I'm making today. I'm putting my child's initials on each egg and painting it with their favorite color, although we're not sure what Willow's is, but I painted it with my favorite color at the moment. My oldest favorite color is purple. And I'm going to show you how I did this. I'm using some wooden eggs and some vinyl stickers that I got from Michael's in the clearance section. So what we're going to be doing is sticking the vinyl sticker on and then painting over it. And then you just pull the sticker right off. It's pretty easy. Just place it on there where you want it. I like this side better. Okay. And let's put the top down first. And then smooth down the edges. You want to make sure that it's down really well so that the paint doesn't go underneath it. And now my middle child, her favorite color right now is pink. Everything's pink. Just start painting, and I go around the letters really carefully so that I don't get any paint underneath them. Oh, I'll share with you also what I'm using, the Lyra watercolor paints. I didn't even show you the larger palette watercolor paints. So just get it a little wet. Oh. So you just want to get the paint wet, a little wet, and then kind of mix it around to activate it. So your paint's not too thin. If it's too thin, then it'll go up under the sticker. Originally, I was going to do this the opposite way. I was just going to paint on the letters. I'm just going to paint the rest of it. show you. I'm just going to peel the sticker off. It's already coming off a little bit. So while it's still wet, and we have an A. Oh, it looks like a little bit of it lifted. It's okay though. So that's how you make little monogram eggs for Ostara or for your Easter. I plan on making a goddess one also later. This does leave the eggs a little bit rough paint. I'm plan on finding something today to seal this so that it's not just raw paint. Yeah. Willow says if you like this video, subscribe, press like, and we'll see you later. Maybe I'll show the goddess egg next. Yeah. Or, and also I might show you guys how I when I find something to seal them, I might show you that too. Oh, there's some pink on it. Oh, well. All right, thank you. Have a nice day.